Today we are looking at Police Pursuit from Holy Fire Games. The action flies thick and fast here, and this is one of the rare games that you'll be able to enjoy over and over again. It is equally exciting and hilarious, and it's guaranteed to have you hooked in no time. The story goes like this. First you drop the loot and now the cops are hot on your tail. It hasn't been a good day so far. You'd better put the pedal to the metal and get moving. Can you avoid capture long enough to retrieve the scattered cash? Large piles are worth 50 points, small piles are worth 10. The controls? Pretty simple, left and right arrow keys. Rules? Don't crash. Avoid the determined cops trying to ram you into submission. Watch out for all the pesky rocks that pop up when you least expect them. What'll your high score be before they bring you to justice? Enjoy.